we'll go right to edge weapon. Right? So I'm talking about a pin where if you come on down to this side, is that I'm gonna show it on somebody like what I'm attempting to do, and then I'll get them to do it to me. So like that pin where you're in the bar and the guys like this, and you know that this is the next thing, right? Because that hard heavy in the throat, like that pin, right? That's very common. Bouncers do that all the time. And it's usually pretty strong, but you can defeat it pretty easily too. But like that, I've seen lots of guys do that. The whole guys are sets bar like, right, very, very simple. Right? So if he comes in, we'll go slow here. So my hands want to come up, obviously. This one's gonna go here to the face of like instantly. And then this one's gonna hit here. So I'm gonna go here. Alright? Now I'm gonna grab, I'm gonna come around, I'm gonna grab the face. And then I'm gonna pull. Now I'm gonna go right. Boom, boom, exit. It's really, really simple. Right? But the key point is that hip control piece. Right, and then hit off the bat. So as soon as that goes there, I'm here. So chin jab, get the head back. All right. As soon as you do that, even if he throws the punch, like I've got somewhat of a blocker and a reach in here, I'm not going to wait for that. Obviously, it's just going to be boom, boom, and I'm out. Now again, I'm going to grab, hit the eyes, the nose, whatever. That nice little shirt. I like the head personally because obviously the body's going to follow the head, right? Unless they go opposite ways, and that's a real bad thing. So they're just going to follow. So like here, and then again, just stepping like I did before to make the out. So here, so I can pin, again, here, knee, palm, elbow, hit to get out. Right? The combative thing, it's, I don't care, like, it's not like, oh, knee here, elbow this. No, I just do something. The goal is that like, I'm away from this, no matter what, right? Boom, out, here, cool. I can just run away. Cool, I don't need to hit him anymore, it doesn't matter. But I'm not getting my face filled by getting held here, right? That's the, yeah. And that's how fast it'll happen, literally. Alright? So to know that as soon as he grabs it, I can like, whoa, whoa, here. So even here, right, I can grab the shit, I don't need the head. Okay, let's go here, and then start working, cool. But the head's like, it's a little bit more aggressive, but it's got a higher, probably a higher success rate.
You have to figure it out.
100%.
Anyway, right?
Yeah, and I didn't, you know, I'm not trying to get the eye. But I'm trying to get it. Yeah, like the great part about it, even especially if you have like a big snout like me, is that there's like a little handle right here, right? Natural one that our body has, that's what I want. And I can go wide with it or I can go short with it, it doesn't matter as long as I have it. Plus, anytime somebody covers your eyes, you freak out, right? Anytime your hands are in your face, I want to get that dirty. That's going to take the fight out of him just enough for me to get that turn. As opposed to if I'm here and I grab here, he's still like, yeah. But the change in the matter is that once I go here to here, like that's going to change his perspective a lot more as opposed to here. So that's why I'm a really big proprietor of this. Okay?
I mean, it comes anywhere near down, my head's going to go.
Yeah.
You want me to go in.
Absolutely. Yeah. All right. So let's do that one. Does anybody need to see it one more time? One more time? Yeah. Okay. Let's do it one more time. So again, it comes in instantly here, and I'm hitting that out of the way. All right. This comes in just to hold to make sure that I have a bit of control. Again, activity. I'm coming across. Now again, I'm not reaching across nicely and grabbing. I'm hitting and I'm grabbing and pulling. All right. Again, be nice to your partners. All right. Shane's gonna hurt me if I hurt him, so that's why I'm being nice to him.
This is getting bad.
So here, and then I step out of the way. I'm not pulling, right? So don't forget that. It's not a pull. I'm putting pressure, but I'm just walking my feet out, right? All my body is doing this. It's not group, it's all my body. And then boom, here. That one's a great one, by the way. Like, as soon as I get here, anywhere on the back of the leg, like it's, if you've ever been kicked there, it hurts. Yeah. But like it's a drive, boom, and then down. Again, I can push the head down into the ground, run away. Most likely, if you nail that knee, they're gonna drop. At least do a knee there. Don't kick them again. Right? If they're down, you're like, bang! Like, yeah, that's where, like, that's that level that I was talking about, right? I want to remain the good guy and defending myself at all times. If I create strikes, it's because they made me do it, right? they set the tone of the fight, I gave a response, not a reaction. That's how I always say it. I responded to that. Didn't react. Because then all those people are like, oh, you were scared. Well, yeah, I was kind of, but I'm disciplined enough to give a response. A reaction is a response is like, okay, oh, here, this, boom, right? That's the difference between the two. I find at least that's how I word it. I never want to react. The only way I'm going to not react and make a response is training. I have to train, right? Everybody, I actually think everybody in this room trains anyways actively, which is great. I never really get to see that too much, but everybody has their own story, right? So the more time you're gonna do it. I love Chad's things like consistency over time equals results, right? Like the more consistently you train over time, the results are better. The less consistent you train over time, the results are shitty. You're still gonna get a result, it's just gonna be bad. Right? So like what is your mathematical equation that you put into it? And the day will never, I like that saying better, I'm gonna leave it for the end. I don't talk too much. So let's do 1 for 1 with the bar choke.